Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see the tomato varieties growing in SJ's garden, planting Husky Cherry Red hybrid tomatoes and tips to grow tomatoes healthy. Do you know the scientific name of tomato? It is Solanum lycopersicum. Summer has started and days are a lot warmer this week. Need to water plants twice a day is important to avoid plants to wilt and losing them. This is Husky Cherry Red hybrid tomato plant I bought from Home Depot. This has two plants in it, but I'm planting them together and I'm not adding any fertilizer this time. We'll see the growth and give some while these plants started flowering. I have been growing indeterminate cherry tomatoes now in ground and before in containers, but I like this round cherry tomato variety, so I'm growing this for the first time. I'm excited to see the harvest. This is Phoenix tomato variety I bought from Costco and replanted. It is growing healthy as you see here and loaded with flowers and tomatoes. Observe all plants carefully how well pruned they are because we are going to see benefits of pruning later in this video. This is another variety called Better Boy Hybrid, which is again a determinate tomato variety. I have two plants of this tomato variety and other few plants growing are from indeterminate tomato seeds I have. So what are these terms people keep saying? Determinate or indeterminate terms refer to the growth habit of the tomato plants. They essentially mean bush or vining respectively. Let's discuss more about that. Determined tomatoes are varieties that grow to a fixed mature size and ripen all their fruit in a short period, usually about 2 weeks. Once this first flush or fruit has ripened, the plant will begin to diminish in vigor and will set little to no new fruit. Indeterminate tomato varieties are vining plants that continue to extend in length throughout the growing season. This is why you will sometimes see them referred to as vining tomatoes. Indeterminate tomato varieties will also continue to set and ripen fruit throughout the growing season until frost kills the plants. As a continuous and huge tomato consumer, I like to grow indeterminate variety. These small plants are another batch growing from seed. I will replant them soon. These three plants are indeterminate tomato variety. You have seen me harvesting tomatoes from these in couple of videos. Let's prune this tomato jungle. The main reason to prune tomato plants is that it helps you plant direct its energy toward producing fruit rather than producing more foliage. But not every type of tomato plants benefit from pruning. Determinate plants, for example, don't need much pruning to thrive. Combining pruning with stakes or tomato cages encourages your tomato plants to grow in an upright form that reduces the risk of disease and increases the longevity of the fruit they produce. Properly pruning your tomato plants improves their form and eliminates conditions that can promote the growth of fungal and bacterial disease. Unpruned tomato plants tend to form numerous vines that follow the ground, producing dense growth that can prevent leaves from drying. Limiting your tomato plants to 2 or 3 stems thins out the leaves of the plant, ensuring that all of the leaves have ample access to sunlight. Shaded leaves can yellow and drop from the plant, causing it to expend nutrients regrowing leaves instead of producing fruit. Limiting the number of growing stems in the plant through pruning also helps concentrate your tomato plant's nutrients on producing fruit. And also people say that properly pruned tomato plants typically begin producing fruit 2 to 3 weeks earlier than unpruned tomatoes and provide larger fruit. You can now see how these plants are loaded with fruits, and these are going to ripen and need a lot of sunlight. The pruning helps the sunlight pass through the fruits and help them to ripen soon. With this, I think I covered all I wanted to. Comment and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.